Nvidia RTX Pro 6000 unlocks the full power of GB202, leaving the RTX 5090 in the dust. The RTX Pro 6000 isn't just for work, it's now the fastest gaming GPU, overtaking the RTX 5090 by a clear margin. Now, the RTX Pro 6000 GPU outperforms the RTX 5090 by 10 to 15% in 4K gaming and synthetic benchmarks. Despite Nvidia's marketing the 5090 as the fastest gaming GPU, it's now on second place. The new RTX Pro 6000, Nvidia's most powerful workstation GPU to date, has surpassed it in both synthetic and gaming tests at 4K, proving workstation class hardware can dominate in high-end gaming too. Built on the same GB202 die using the Blackwell architecture, the RTX Pro 6000 can be seen as a more powerful version of the RTX 5090, as it features 24,064 CUDA cores, about 10% more than the 5090s, which is 21,760, unlocking additional RT cores, tensor cores and ROPS. This allows the RTX Pro 6000 to fully tap into GB202's real capabilities. As demonstrated in 𝗧𝗘𝗖𝗛𝗘𝗖 benchmark comparison of both GPUs in synthetic and gaming test, the RTX Pro 6000 outperformed the RTX 5090 in both synthetic benchmarking and delivering over a 10% performance boost. In 3D Mark Time Spy Extreme GT1, it hit 176.5 FPS versus the 5090's 156.1 FPS and 13% gain. In 3D Mark Speedway, it led by around 8%. Interestingly, the power efficiency was also better in Time Spy. The power usage was about 11% higher, but in Speedways the gap narrowed to just 1%, even more impressive. The RTX Pro 6000 matched its 13% performance lead in GT1 at the same power draw, only pulling ahead by 0.4% FPS when consuming an extra 60 to 70 watt. Now, this behavior wasn't consistent across all benchmarks but appeared in several cases. In some tests, the RTX Pro 6000 used noticeably more power relative to its power gains, while in others it delivers strong result with only about 5% high power draw compared to the RTX 5090. For example, in Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K, the Pro 6000 was 14% faster but consumed 15% more power. Star Wars Outlaw showed similar result. Remnant 2, the Pro 6000 delivered an 11% boost in average FPS and a 17% improvement in 1% lows, with just a 5% increase in power consumption. Now, if we consider the all things, the RTX Pro 6000 now holds the crown for gaming performance, but at a steep cost. Priced at $10,000 and equipped with 96GB of GDDR7 VRAM, it's clearly designed for professional workloads. While it outperforms the RTX 5090, it's not positioned as a gaming GPU, and its 5 times higher price tag makes it impractical for most gamers.